how to change default spell checker to Gboard or Samsung on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on Gboard Settings. Then tap on Corrections and Suggestions. In here, go down and tap on Change Default Spell Checker. In here, we tap on Default Spell Checker and choose either Samsung Keyboard or Gboard Spell Checker. Then tap on OK. And after that, tap on the back key. And that's it. So now when you're writing, if there is a mistake, it will offer you to spell check using Samsung or Google Spell Checker. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.